All right, me and Tom split up with our family. We're gonna head to Đà Nẵng, 4 o'clock. So busy already. Oh. Oh shit, this is us. This us? Bốn nhà. Giàu không? Thank you. Ice coffee. 44,000? No, I don't know how much. Not just kind of change. Got our luggage. You gotta avoid that, okay? Got our luggage. Heading out. Hey, taxi right there. See the green one pulling up? Right there, see it? We are here at a motorbike rental. It's open at 8. We are about half an hour early. Hello. We got our bike here today. Mình tự trả. Bảo hiểm bao nhiêu tiền? Why you have to pick a wet one? Nắng Beach. Is that for me? Beautiful. That's Đà Nẵng right there. You think that's Đà Nẵng? That's the whole city of Đà Nẵng right there. Oh, this is what it looks like. I should have flown my drone. Đà Nẵng over there. Beautiful view. This view is better than coming up. This coffee place.
There's no shade there, Ian. There's no shade there. Oh look, go out there and I'll take a picture of you on the rocks.
Okay. That is scary looking. Tom, pretty scary looking out here. Woo! Look at that. along the beach. Wow, look at that beach view. Nice fresh coconut. Stop here talking to the locals. Little shop here. Made of Hải Vân Pass.
Con người trật tự thì nó an toàn hơn.
Oh yeah, baby, this is the road I like. This is the road less traveled. Look at the mountain up there. Woo! We are Hải Vân Pass, baby. Oh, look at this. This is a nice loop. This is where we're going. We were right here at the corner. We decided to go this way and come back to our original route. We were gonna take this way, but this highway is for truck and cars only, no motorcycles, so we loop back. Beautiful, beautiful place. Hey, we're gonna spend the night out here. Look at this. This is the road that less travel. There's no truck, no cars, not many motorbike. We'll see. We'll see. Oh man, this is the road. We got 1,300 feet, 1,334. Going down. Woo! Yeah!
Đường, oh shit. Đường đang bị sát lũng.
Probably a lot of potholes. That's what the signs say. We got enduro. Let's go. Let's push it. It's not closed. They just say be careful. Yep, right here. Just potholes and dirt. Woo-hoo! Give me a new direction, take this road, loop around. Yeah, this is a small bike, no problem.
Oh, this is a nice view of Đà Nẵng right here, Jim. Right in front of us. Oh man, we didn't see all that coming up here. You know, we have to turn our head around. This one, straight down, facing somewhere. Good one. Is right there? There's a motorcycle there. Okay. Rồi đi cái xe luôn.
Giống như canh chua á vậy.
Dạ lẩu đó.
Lẩu đó hả? Lẩu canh chua.
Đây là hải rong vô số là hải rong đi vô.
It's a hot pot, guys. It's a hot pot. She say only leave. The stem is too hard. She said. Chị đút luôn không? Có đút luôn không vậy?
Có đút ăn luôn không?
Đút ăn luôn hả? À, she prepared, but she's gonna feed us too. You can take whatever you want.
Oh man,
that's how you do it.
This with you.
So I better get ready to eat because he's gonna eat it all.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you dip in fish sauce, right?
Fish sauce.
You got a fish sauce. Everybody get their own fish sauce.
Oh, I think we share the fish sauce.
Oh yeah. That means it's not good. Alright, I better start eating before he eat it all.
Hot pot.
Fish have a lot of good omega, right? Omega fatty acid fatty. Good for your heart.
Damn, I got a small bowl and he got a big bowl.
Yummy. Look at that. Nice and fresh. Woo, gotta load it up.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. Oh, this what is this?
Bamboo.
Bamboo. Yeah, that's right. Fucking hot. So good.
Good.
So darn good. So this kind of steam in a soy sauce, and you wrap with the rice paper with all these veggies, and you dip in the shrimp paste. Some people like that shrimp paste, some people don't. I love shrimp paste. All right, you think Tom gonna demonstrate? I think Tom do a better job than me. Got a lot of meat too. Wow, that's good.
Let's see how it is gonna taste.
Somewhat spicy, but it's good.
That's what you roll it into.
Yeah, that's how you roll it.
And you dip into the stinky sauce.
Good stinky sauce.
And then
Look at the face, tell it all. Yeah, that face tell it all. And have a beer, have a sip of beer, go with the beer, right? After beer to wash out the stinky sauce. Wow, that's good.
that was good.
Yeah, that was good. That's $703,000, equal to $29.76. Isn't that crazy for all this food and drinks? And it's good, authentic Vietnamese food, right? Only us give tip, we spoil them. So 100,000, we give $100,000. $4.22 tip, which is a really good tip, right? But you don't have to give them tip.
Nobody give him tip around.
Nobody give them tip because local don't give people tips around here. Try something different. Yeah, three.
That's the menu.
We got Highland coffee. No, we got a Highland. Go ahead. You want coffee? Cà phê sữa đá không? Có phải cà phê trứng không? Không có. Both of these we paid for how much? $5.80. $138,000.
Sitting here for 45 seconds already.
purple. Queen-side bed. What the hell? Then you need a car to put in here. Just gotta put a card in Vietnamese hotel. Woo, nice and cool. Let's turn up the AC. Whew. Hotel have slipper. That's my bed for the night. Shower pretty nice. Walk through, yeah. $25 a night in this hotel. There's the city light, you can see through there. Little window. Beautiful. Got the closet, which I don't need. Got a safety box. Yeah, that's pretty nice. $25 US dollars.